In this question, different chemical reactions are given. We have to identify the incorrect reaction from the options. Let's come to the options given here. The first one is given as acetyl chloride. On heating with water, they are producing acetic acid. This is a correct reaction because the acyl chlorides on heating with water, they can convert into carboxylic acid. So option A is a correct reaction. And the second reaction is given as an amide. On reduction with lithium aluminum hydride and water, they are converting into carboxylic acid. This is an incorrect reaction because the amide on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, they will convert into corresponding amide. That is CONH2 group will convert into amino group. So this reaction is the incorrect reaction and the correct products obtained by this reaction are given here. And the third reaction is given as alcohol. On reaction with potassium permanganate, they are converting into carboxylic acid. This is the correct reaction because in presence of acidic medium, potassium permanganate can oxidize alcohol into carboxylic acid. And in the fourth reaction, propanol on reaction with sulfuric acid and CrO3 converting into propanoic acid. This is also correct because the reaction which takes place here is oxidation. So the products are correct. So from these options, the incorrect reaction is option B, which is the correct answer.